What is up, all of my plug people? Today we're going to talk about ear skins and whether you should get them or not. Well, I say yes, but let's talk about the pros and cons first. The pros of ear skins are, well, they're cheap. They come in a ton of different colors. They look great. They feel great. As a matter of fact, I like to wear them underneath my helmet when I ride my motor vehicles. Sometimes I just like to drive around in my truck with a helmet on. Ear skins also have the added benefit of making your ears look a little bit bigger. Not your whole ear, just the stretched part. Because they're so thin, they hug your skin, hence why they're called ear skins. The only negatives that I can really say about ear skins are, well, they're not very good to stretch with. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't stretch with any silicone. We've said that 100 times down the video, so you can go look at those for that information. Additionally, they do have a tendency of stinking a little bit more than wood, something that absorbs your moisture, that makes the stink in your ears. So I'd recommend cleaning them as often as possible. Something like antibacterial soap will do the job just fine. That's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot more to these ear skins than that, and they come out in new colors all the time. So you can accessorize. Thanks. This has been another product breakdown. I'm Sam Dean, and come back next time for some other random product. All right, take care. Bye.